So one of my favorite speakers, she's just chomping at the bit. She's ready to get to us, and I'm ready to hear from her. Put your hands together for my friend, about to become yours, none other than Lori Kleiman.
Thank you, Ruben. You're here again to be loved. So peer-to-peer advisory groups are really becoming common. You might be able to find them through your local chamber, but I really think SHRM chapters are just the best place to start because it's built in.
Introducing HR Topics featuring Lori Kleiman. Lori is an accomplished business person, entrepreneur, and expert in human resources. Lori's background as an HR professional, business owner, and consultant gives her insight into how HR and executives can work together to achieve business goals.
Evaluate your HR person and then how to have that conversation to get them to, if the subtitle is shape up or ship out. And either have an HR person who's adding value to your bottom line or get rid of them. You don't need HR people anymore for administration. That can all be handled by computer.
Lori speaks to business leaders about how HR can support business growth, and every workshop, breakout session, and keynote is customized for your business and your team to help you deal with the specific HR issues that keep you up at night.
CEOs today have a much different view of what they want their human resource executives to be like. It used to be that human resources was a very administrative, cost center, necessary department to have in the organization, but nobody really saw the human resource professionals as adding any value to the business. CEOs understand that they just can't afford that anymore. They can't have a department that doesn't add value to the bottom line.
Lori's presentation was fantastic at our 2014 client conference. Clients were very warmly received. Her card is a hit, and Lori is very easy to work with and run through, dry runs, all of that. So I can't recommend it.
In addition, Lori's written several books to help business leaders and HR professionals pull the pieces of HR together for successful integration of business and people. Lori's topics work well as keynote presentations and as topics for general and concurrent meeting sessions of all types and sizes.
Hi, I'm Jerry Messick, and I'm an HRA member, and I really enjoyed Lori's presentation today. I found it interesting, it was exciting, motivating, and I can't wait to read her book.
To find out more about Lori Kleiman and HR Topics, visit hrtopics.com.